Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BSC dApps with MetaMask and network switching, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize BSC dApps with MetaMask, first, ensure you have MetaMask installed on your browser. Open the MetaMask extension and log in to your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts in MetaMask. Once logged in, you need to switch your network to Binance Smart Chain. To do this, click on the network selector at the top of the MetaMask interface. From the drop-down menu, select Custom RPC. In the new window, enter the following details for the network name, input Binance Smart Chain. Next, enter https://bsc-datac.binance.org/single quote for the RPC URL. For the chain ID, input 56. Leave symbol as BNB and block Explorer URL as https://bscscan.com. Click Save to add the Binance Smart Chain network to. Now, switch to the Binance Smart Chain in the network dropdown. Visit the dApps website you want to authorize with MetaMask. Typically, you will see a Connect Wallet button on the dApps homepage. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Select MetaMask from the list of wallet options presented. A MetaMask notification will pop up asking you to connect your wallet to the dApp. Review the permissions that the dApp requires and click Confirm to approve. Once connected, you will see your wallet address displayed on the dApp interface. This confirms that you have successfully authorized the dApp using MetaMask. If you need to switch back to Ethereum or any other network, simply click the network drop-down again and select your desired network. Always ensure you are on the correct network before performing any transactions. Now you are all set to explore and interact with dApps on the Binance Smart Chain safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.